All right, so you're gonna need this top piece here. You'll have to cut 4 of those, 2 lining and 2 main on the fold. You need your bell bottom piece here, and like the front and the back. I did the wide flares, and you will have to cut, don't cut the dotted line, you'll cut it as the elastic waist. All right, so I've got my 2 main pieces here, my 2 lining pieces here, and then I've got my front and back pieces here, and you cut all around that pattern piece. Okay, so we're gonna do the crotch curve first, serge or zigzag stitch that right there up good. And then we're also going to do the shoulder seams of these two. So you're gonna put the main right side together and you're gonna put the lining right sides together like this. Okay, so once you've got these lines up with the main and then the lining, you're just gonna sew or zigzag stitch the shoulder seams here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that really fast. This is just my serger here. Someone asked for me to show them every aspect of sewing, like the whole video. And so I just wanted to include this part here, just a little sped up for everybody who may know how to do this part. It's just a little filler, I guess, for you if you know what you're doing. So this is how I sew him. Okay, so this is what it looks like all done. I've done the shoulder seams of both the main and the lining. And then I've done the crotch curves of both of the front and the back of the bell bottoms. And remember, we did cut these as like we were doing the elastic waist here. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to put them right sides together. Just line them up, and you will do the side seams here all the way down on both sides. And then you will do the crotch seam from inseam to inseam. And then we're also going to do the circle part, or it's kind of like an oval part of the top piece here. So you're going to put the main right side facing up, the lining right side facing down, and you're going to serge this oval right here. So I'm going to show you how I do that really fast, just sped up here. I found a better angle too. Let me know if you guys like this angle better, because I think you can kind of see more of what I'm doing. It's more of an up angle, so let me know if you guys like that.